I'm here to share my experience about the 5 weeks life mastery. I would say it is a transformational program, really. The first week being the emotional mastery. Emotional mastery, I understood my unwanted emotions and get transformed my unwanted emotions into a positive emotions. How to channelize those emotions into a right way with using all the small techniques and tools, and how to get connected with the cosmic energy on a real basis, on a daily basis with all these rituals. Truly eye-opener, I would say. The next being self-mastery. Clearing all the unwanted myth about ourselves, about what we possess about ourselves, all the monkeys away. Then rebuilding our mind and body, and with basic tools, setting goals for our mind and body on a daily basis, help to identify the life purpose of why we are here in this universe, in this moment, and working towards the life purpose is the second week's highlight, I would say. The third week being the wealth mastery. Wealth mastery is really of the 5 component wealth mastery I have had a new dimension of wealth mastery, I would say. I redefined myself as money will work for me and I will be 100% gratitude towards it. So we have created a beautiful blueprint of wealth mastery, and the exercise which Purani ma'am has given regarding wealth mastery, we were able to collect 71,000 within a short span of 2 days. And it has, as a team spirit, we have rebuilt our confidence, teamwork, lot of characters to add on, I would say. All the characters which was underlined within us has been kindled and taken to forefront right now. And the next being the relationship mastery. By understanding the love language for myself and with the loved ones around us, we were able to rebuild the relationship not only with the loved ones but all around us. Whoever we get connected, we were able to rebuild and see all the good and positive things around us and attract more positivity in the relationship. And I'm working on it, I would say. Thank you for that. And spiritual mastery is really an eye-opener. By giving forgiveness and the soul exercises, we were wading off all the unwanted relationship emotions, all the unwanted things, and bringing in more. We are driving in more towards the eternity of life, I would say. Thank you, Purani, for taking me as a part of life mastery, I would say. And life mastery has truly given me a new dimension towards life. Thank you, Purani.